Because first of all, how did you get the idea to want to follow raga to begin with? It doesn't come by Vaidhi sadhana. Never. You can practice Vaidhi, you can do 10,000 artiks a day for 10,000 years, and you'll never start Raganuga Bhakti. 12309, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Purva Vibhag, second Lahari, verse 309. At the end of the Sadhana Bhakti chapter, there's 270 verses about Sadhana Bhakti, and there's 40 verses about Raganuga Bhakti. Chalis Shlok, Raganuga Bhakti Vichara. Last one, Shesh number, he says, Bhagavan Kurunya Va, Bhakta Kurunya, Lobaika, Matra Hetunanena. Matra means only. I mean, I only know the word for word. I don't know Sanskrit. Don't misunderstand. I'm just telling you. Lobaika means same as Hindi, lob. And then Hetu means cause. And this is Sanskrit. So the only cause for greed, genuine interest, I want it. I have to have it. Like a thirst. When you're thirsty, I have to give me some water, Coke, something. Of course, only water will do, but something. And then that's greed. But for Krishna, I want to read about these things. I want to hear about things. No, you can't. No, you can't. Hell with it. Yes, I do. Then you have from Purva Sanskara, Purva Sadhusang, only or Krishna apnaya. Apnaya, means just immediately. By Krishna's mercy in the heart. Somehow you saw some Thakurji and you saw maybe Astasaki Mandir in Vrindavan or somewhere in ISKCON. You said, the Sakis are so nice in the way. Somehow something happened. I want to be with them. And where did that something happen? Krishna. He said, I like your mentality. I like your abhiman. I like your bhav. I like your achar, your sadachar. Then, first of all, Krishna, only bhakti comes from Krishna or Guru, Vaishnava. That's just generic bhakti. It's not a small thing. There's like one person interested in Vaidhi bhakti out of 50, 100,000 million people. Rag bhakti is ati durlabh. You can't preach it. If someone is interested in it, you can guide them. And if you are a Raganuga Bhakta, and by your presence and by your preaching, you may create such thing in others. People that are just Vaidhi Bhaktas, they get some books by some very great saints, like our Mahant here in Radhakund, Srila Anantadas Babaji Maharaj, and many, many books. And they're basically all rasa books. Radharasa Nidhi, Stavavali, Stavamala, Prem Bhakti Chandri, lots of philosophy. So many books he's translated and given commentaries. And throughout the commentaries, he's just preaching all the Tattva Siddhanta of Gaudiyas. So I have one friend, he was in one of these modern Vaishnava movements, an institution, for 30 years or so. He said, I feel dry, we worship Radha and Krishna. In my house we have Radha Krishna deities and doing everything for so many years. He said, can you help me somehow? I said, I don't know. I don't know if you're a little adventuresome or whether you're bound with the shackles of certain restrictions that maybe you self-imposed or you imposed on you, or you feel that such. But there's a whole group of books here by a particular person